is here, and you business owners are excited for the summer sales that you will have in your business. But notifying to long list of customers manually about the sale is a very time consuming part for you. What if I tell you to all the customers in bulk at once without need of any coding and programming skills, you can send a WhatsApp message just like this on the screen. Your WhatsApp account won't be banned, it's a safe process. With that, it's very easy to create this amazing setup. So without wasting any time, let me show you how you can send WhatsApp bulk messages for promoting the summer sale in your business. So for creating this setup, more than an year, I'm using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow, using which you can also efficiently and very easily manage your WhatsApp conversations in your business. Now to come to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow on your browser and you will come to this landing page where you will find two options in front of you: sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time, it's very easy. Simply sign up for free. From here you will create your own account, and as you're logging in for the first time, you will get 100 free credits every month to test out more features of Pabbly Chatflow. That means you can create this bulk messaging setup right away, and you can at least send 100 free messages on WhatsApp with our free plan. And if you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans with Pabbly Chatflow, I have a gift just for you. The coupon code that you can see on the left side of the screen will get you instant discounts on the purchase of yearly or lifetime deal. So what are you waiting for? Use the code, purchase our plan, and automate your WhatsApp right away. Sign in and you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow just like this. Now in order to learn how you can set up the entire Pabbly Chatflow account, how you can add your WhatsApp business number, and want to learn all the features of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the video links I've added in the description section below. After creating your setup, you will come to this dashboard, and now to create a new broadcast, that means to send bulk WhatsApp messages to all your customers at once, first you need to create the template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Using that message template, you can share that template as messages to each and every customer of yours. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, in order to create a template, you have to go towards this add template button and go to add template option. You will come towards this new template page, select the category, what kind of template you want to create. I want to create a marketing template for summer sale. You can name the template whatever you want according to your requirements. Select the language, in which language are you creating this template. Select the variable, whether you want the variable to be name or number. Variable is going to be added in your format of your template right here. So you have to select the variable type. I will select over here as name. Then you have to select the template type. As I want to add an image to this template, so I will select the template type header as image, and you will see the image has been added. Then you can add in the message whatever you want according to your requirement right over here. You will see the same message will pop up here. If you want to add in a footer, you can add the footer as per your requirements right here. And if you want any interactive actions, you can select the interactive actions according to your requirements, submit, and your template is going to be created. I've already created a summer sale template, you can see right over here, with the image as my header. Over here, this is the template hello name. This is the variable that I've created for the name of my customer, so that I can send a personalized message just like this. Okay, summer is here, so is your glow upgrade. Flat 50% off on natural glow skincare products with this code. Shop now and keep your skin fresh, hydrated, and radiant this season. I have a skincare brand, so this is the message that has been dedicated towards my skincare brand. If you have a different category of business, you can enter the message according to your requirement like that. You can generate the message using ChatGPT. Okay, so now this is the message that I want to share towards all my customers, so I've created the template. Once the template will be created, Meta is going to approve your template, and you will see the status of your template as approved, and then only you can use the template further to send it as bulk messages towards all your customers' contacts. Okay, now in order to create a new bulk message system, we have the system in the name of broadcast. Come to broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and add the broadcast from here. Now we have to select the broadcast type first. My type is going to be broadcast campaign. If you want, you can select the API campaign according to your requirement. Okay, now over here for the broadcast name, I'll write my broadcast name as summer sale. This is my broadcast name. This broadcast is dedicated to sending messages for summer sale. So that is why I've written summer sale. Okay. Now next we have to select the contact list. Now what is this contact list? Very easy. The contact list is a list of the contacts of all my customers. So from where you can manage the contact list of your customers in Pabbly Chatflow, go towards this contact section on a new tab. This is my contact list where I've added all sorts of contacts you can see right over here. Okay. And I have created a list in the name of new list right here. And in this list, I have added my contacts, my customers' phone numbers. And towards all the customers whose contacts is added in this list, I want to send the summer sale message. If you want to create your own list, you can add it from this plus button, name the list, add in the contact details, list will be created, and then towards that list, you can share the message. Now select the contact list right here. If you want, you can select all contact list also, but I will select this specific one. Okay. Now after that, it is asking select message type. There are two categories, either pre-approved template that I've showed you how to create, or you can send a regular message as well. I am going to select the pre-approved template. I will select it as summer sale. Now under summer sale, first it is asking for the body fields. Body field 1 is for the name of my customer. I want to add the name of the contact right here. So inside Pabbly Chatflow, we have contact custom fields. In contact custom fields, there is a universal field in the name of name where all the contacts name are saved automatically. So I want to fetch the name from here, from this custom field, and add it over here. Now for adding the dynamic value, just add a $sign, and as the contact custom field name is name right over here, so I'm going to write simply name. So what is going to happen? Exactly, you have to write name right here. What is going to happen? The data from this field name is going to fetch and add it in this message next to hello right here automatically. Okay. Now we have to enter this image. So I have already uploaded this image right over here for the summer sale. In order to add your image, you have to click right here, upload the image from here. After the image is uploaded, you will automatically see the image in this section. So I'm going to select this image right here and insert this image. You will see this is the message that I want to send towards all my contacts. So now then I'm going to click on this done button right here. As soon as I've done that, you can see the template is added in this broadcast. Now last, it is asking that if I want to test that what kind of a message will the user receive. So what can I do is I can add a number and send the test message. So I will add in my number right here and send the test message so that I can check whether what kind of a message I will receive. You can see a test broadcast is sent. And on my WhatsApp, you will find, yes, I have received this message. Hello, test user. My number is saved in this name. Summer is here. You can see the exact message has been forwarded to me right now on WhatsApp. This is how the message is going to be forwarded towards all the contacts. Okay. So now after testing, I have an option. Whether I want to send this broadcast instantly at the same point, you can create the broadcast and instantly share the bulk messages on WhatsApp, or you can schedule this broadcast for later. So I want to schedule this broadcast, let's suppose next week Sunday. So I can select next week Sunday from here. So this is next week Sunday, that is 26th of April 2026. And I will share this broadcast at 12 p.m. Okay, so I will select it right here. So on next week, let me set up the time correctly. Okay. So on next week at 12 p.m. this workflow is scheduled. This broadcast is scheduled. Okay. After that, you can add the broadcast from here directly, and as you will do that, you can see the summer sale broadcast with the same template has been scheduled for 26th of April 2026 at 12 p.m. It has been scheduled successfully. Now on 26th of April 2026, a WhatsApp message like this towards the contact list that we have selected while creating this broadcast, all of them will receive the WhatsApp message for notifying that you have a summer sale. So this is how you can create a broadcast. You can send bulk WhatsApp messages towards all your contacts, all your customers at once without getting blocked or banned by WhatsApp. So you are following the meta policy, so there are going to be no issues. And without any coding and programming skills, we have created this broadcast in front of you very easily. Now, if you have any questions or doubts related to any of the steps that I've explained in this video, you can comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. If you are looking forward to purchase any of our earlier lifetime plan, you can check out the code on the left side. The code is in the description section as well. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.